Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 7 for a hotel management system in Django with Next.js. In this video, we are going to create the user dashboard page, right, in which we will show the chart and total booking, total payments, right. So this is a simple wireframe. So you can see that at the left side we are showing the menus, and at the right side we are showing that how many total bookings customer attempted, how much payment he spent on this app, right. And we are also showing the chart for the payments. So we will use the Chart.js library, that's open source Chart.js library we will use for showing this bar chart. Okay, so let's design this template and we'll try to create all of this. Okay, so let's start to do this. Okay, so this is our app, right. And when we go to user sign up, it's sign up page. And when we go to user dashboard, right here, user dashboard, then it should show the dashboard. Okay, so let's go to the VS Code, close this, and in the app we will create here. Okay, 1 minute. In the user folder we will create a new folder, dashboard, right. And in the dashboard we'll create a new file, page.js. Okay, and this is our forget password. Let's copy this one, or let's write default function, let's say page, right. So this is our page, and let's import the link because we need link, right. So link, collapse this. Okay, now we'll return here dashboard. Okay, so now when we, okay, so you can see here user dashboard. Okay, so when we implement the backend system, then we will see that if user is logged in, we will check in the local storage that data is user data is saved in this. Then we will show this dashboard, else it will automatically log out. It will automatically redirect to the login page, right. Now let's create this template, right. So left or right section and all of this element. All right, so what we will do here, first of all we will create a section. Okay, 1 minute. Section, then this section will be container, margin top bottom, right. And then in this container we'll create a row, and in this row we'll create a column. So till md it will be 4, then it will be 12. Okay, so this is our left section. And then till medium screen md it is 8, and then it will also become 12, right. So in the left section we'll create a ul list. Okay, so this is a list group actually, so let's create in a div. All right, so and let's make it a link, and let's add a class list group. All right, and here we will add class list group item, right. And then href, right. And then link. So the first one is dashboard, right. And the second one is booking history, right. And the third one is payment logs, right. And then the fourth one is update profile, right. And the last one will be logout. All right, logout. And let's add class text danger. Okay, So now let's go here and you can see that this is working. So this is our dashboard, booking history, payment log, and when we add here the active class, then it will look like this. Okay, so let's do one thing. Rather than active class, we will say HMS BG dark. All right, so HMS BG dark, or we can say normal. How about normal? A little bit light. Okay, so this one is our active class. Okay, all right, so now we have a left section, right? So this is our left section. Now let's create the right section. All right, so for the right section here we have a, okay, so what we will do here, let's create a card in this, and in this card we have h3 and we will say dashboard, right? Or we just no need to give title, we just say card body, and in this card body we will create a row, right? And in this row we will create column 4, or we can say column 6, right? In the column 6 we should have h4, we'll say total bookings, right? And then we have h5 and we'll say total bookings is like 1 2 3. All right, so this will look like this. Okay, now what we need to do more, this is saying total booking. Okay, let's say text center, and let's give it some mark, let's give it some padding 3. Okay, let's give it a border. So this is border, no need for border, actually it's not looking nice. Okay, so now here we have, and HR tag if we give, so this is showing total booking, this is too much, so let's say 4. Let's do one thing, let's give it a 5 here and 4 here. Okay, and one more thing, let's create a anchor tag, I mean link tag here. So when user click on this, it will show all the bookings, right? So total bookings. Let's go here. All right, so I think let's remove this one, this two div. Let's remove this two also. Now we have this thing, we have, let's say 6. So what we will do here, in this we will create a card, and we'll give a total booking here, right? So we'll create, this is card header, right? And we'll create a card body, and in this we will show this one. So no need for title border, so this will look like this, total booking. This card body should be in the card, not outside the card, it should be in the card. Okay, so this is showing total booking, not sure why this. Okay, this is taking some padding. All right, so total booking is this. Okay, let's give it a 3. All right, now let's create one more. Okay, fine, let's create one more here, total payments, let's say 25,000. Okay, So when user click on this, it will go to payment logs. When user click on this, it will go to booking history. Okay. Now after that, we can create the chart, right? So we'll say chart start, and this chart will show only the payment amount, right? So we'll say chart end, right? So let's try to implement the chart with the Chart.js library. Okay, so you can see here I implemented the bar chart here. So let's see how I implemented. First of all, I have created a bar chart component in the components folder. I have created a user folder, and I have created a bar chart. Before this, you need to install two libraries, right? You need to install Chart.js and React Chart.js. So these two libraries require for this implementation, right? And after that, what we will do, okay, so after that, we will import the bar element from the React chart, and we will import the Chart.js auto, so it will automatically load unnecessary things. Okay, and we have defined this use client because whenever the user interactivity involves, then we have to define that component or page as a use client, right? So here we have a bar chart. We defined the data: red, blue, yellow, green, purple, whatever you can define. So these labels are showing here, see. And then according to this, we need to define the data. So red 12, blue 19, yellow 3, green 5, purple 2, and orange 3, right? And let's label it a number of payments, right? So this is number of payments. Here we have defined the background color. Here we have defined the border color. So you can see the documentation of Chart.js. So you will find a lot of things there, right? So here we have defined the things, and at the end we are returning this bar element with the data, and we are exporting this bar chart, and this bar chart we are using in our dashboard page, right? So this is our dashboard page. Okay, so on the way we will try to improve all the things. Okay, so with this we have completed our user dashboard section. In the next video we will work on, where is that, we will work on booking history, right? We will see that how we can show all the booking history in the table format in the user dashboard, and maybe we will create the user payment log also, and then after the next video we'll update, and then after that we can start the APIs. Okay, we will start the migration or other things. So maybe we just need to create two more videos for the templates, and then later we will try to improve all the templates, and in between we will improve the templates, and we will start the APIs, right? So I think we are done with this dashboard, right? Whatever we have defined in the wireframe. Okay, so now if you need the source code of this project, then I have told you that you just need to go github.co.artisan lab, and here I have given the steps that how you can access the source code. I'm just requesting you to support me, right? I'm sure you will do. So thank you so much for watching the video, and if you have any doubt, anything, then please add in the comment section. I will try to reply as soon as possible, right? So I'm enjoying this project too much. I hope you are also enjoying this. So this is Next.js, very advanced things. So I hope you are enjoying. What is this? This is call. Okay, so this one is right. We will improve by the time all the things. So thank you again, and stay tuned with the Code Artisan Lab, right? And please also share your project idea in community, in comments, wherever you want, right? Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video.